Hi. If your mind feels loud right now, if you keep replaying conversations, imagining outcomes, trying to solve everything at once, stay here. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Let your tongue rest naturally. Place your hands in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering through your nose, cool and gentle. Feel the air leaving your body, softer, warmer. Do not change the breath, just observe it. Your mind may still be moving. That is okay. We are not trying to stop thoughts. We are learning how to sit beside them. If a thought appears, notice it and gently return to the breath. Return to the air entering. Return to the air leaving. Return to you. Now imagine each thought as a cloud moving across the sky. You do not chase it. You do not push it away. You do not analyze it. You simply notice and let it pass. Inhale, exhale. Another thought may come. That is okay. Notice it and let it move on. You do not need to solve your entire life tonight. You only need to be here, breathing. Now bring your attention to your body. Feel your feet. Feel your legs. Feel the weight of your body supported. Your mind may be busy, but your body is here, stable, grounded. Inhale and feel your chest rise gently. Exhale and feel your shoulders soften. Inhale and feel space inside your head. Exhale and feel your mind slightly lighter. Not empty, just lighter. If the mind starts again, notice it. Return, again and again, with softness. Overthinking often comes from trying to protect yourself, trying to prepare, trying to control, trying to avoid pain. Right now, you do not need to control anything. You are safe in this moment. Inhale and feel the present moment. Exhale and let go of urgency. Inhale and feel clarity slowly arriving. Exhale and release mental tension. Thoughts can exist, and you can still be calm. You are not your thoughts. You are the one observing them, and every time you return to your breath, you strengthen that awareness.
Now take one slightly deeper breath. Inhale clarity. Exhale and feel your mind settling. Inhale once more. Exhale and allow your body to relax. When you are ready, gently move your hands and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for being here in this class. Before you go, give yourself a gentle applause. Because you gave yourself a moment. I am proud of you for giving yourself this time today. Now one more breath to come back to you. In the comments, share one word. How do you feel now?